Hello everyone. In this month Random Voice Vision edition, I'm going to talk about the BIS, the impact on BIS on Indian furniture industry. It's a very interesting situation for India as the BIS is in force now. There is a lot of restriction on furniture imports from other countries into India. This opens up a very big opportunity for Indian manufacturers to manufacture furnitures in India to the scale that can cater to the entire Indian market demand. The issue now here is, are we ready to take up this as a challenge and set up systems, set up manufacturing facilities and to the quality of the imported furniture? So this is a very good opportunity for manufacturers in India to set up systems, to set up large scale manufacturing factories and to set up R&D, to set up proper design team which can design for the furnitures and sofas, various other things to the requirement and taste of Indian customers. We can help the manufacturers to set up the system as per the demand and guide the customers how to go about setting up these things. With this BIS, it's opening up a greater opportunity for Indian furniture manufacturers. It's up to us, how do we take up this as a challenge and set up the factories as fast as possible, because we have always been very slow in scaling up. So we need to scale up at a very fast level so that we can catch up to the demand in the market. There will be a supply gap that will arise in the near future. We need to bridge that supply gap by speeding up our manufacturing systems and setting up low-cost automation systems wherever possible to speed up the manufacturing and to bring down the cost and to stay very competitive in the market. I hope this information finds very interesting for all of you. Thank you.